welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is April 18th, and they are good up until Saturday, April 24th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I got so far. I have, this is the order that I did online and I picked it up in store, and then I did 2 transactions. Now this is most definitely round 1 for me, you guys. There are a lot of good deals at Walgreens this week and I am most definitely going back. So what I did today was basically do transactions that were giving me back registry rewards. So I did stock up on quite a few registry rewards today, and then I'm going to go back and do some totally different deals before this week ends. Also, you guys, if you enjoy this video, do me a favor and go ahead and click that like button, please. I would really appreciate it. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our online pickup order. So with my online pickup order, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Axe Dark Temptation scent deodorants. This is the 3 ounce. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. These are buy one get one 50% off. So this is online priced at $3.79. My second one rung up half off at $1.90. So $3.79 plus $1.90. That brought my total to $5.68. We do have a $5.99 off of 2 Axe digital coupon on the Walgreens app. That $5.99, it took, instead of it taking off $5.99, it took off the $5.68, which made these right here completely free, you guys. So this is a really good deal to do this week. So $3.79 online, and then they are buy one get one free. Use that $5.99 coupon. It will take off $5.68, making those completely free. So let me show you guys my receipt. So as you guys can see, the $5.68 price rung up, and as you can see, instead of the Axe taking off $5.99, it took off the $5.68, of course. So it brought my subtotal to $0, which is always nice, and then I just paid taxes out of pocket. So this is an extremely easy and free deal to do this week. And so in my next transaction, you guys, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips, 3 of the Crest Radiant Mint toothpaste, and then I grabbed 2 of the Gillette Foamy Shave Gels. So with the Colgate this week at Walgreens, these are priced at $2.99. And when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. Now, there are some 50-cent insert coupons for the Colgate, but I don't have any inserts and I didn't have anything clipped to my account. I also went to the Colgate website to see if I could print off a 75-cent coupon, but I was unable to print it, probably because I already printed it in the past. So I didn't use any coupons on the Colgate, but I am totally fine with that because I am after the registry reward. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. You will pay that. You can use Walgreens cash to pay if you'd like, and then you will get back a $5 registry reward, which I did get back, but I used it in my second transaction. So that's another thing that I want to mention. Every registry reward that I got from this transaction, I used it in my second transaction. So $5.98 minus the $5 registry reward that I received, that brought the total down to just 98 cents for both of these, or it makes each one just 49 cents. And then right here, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. When you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward, or a $5 registry reward. We do have a $4 Maybelline coupon on the Walgreens app. Unfortunately for me, I did not have that coupon on either of my accounts. So if you have that coupon, you can use that and it will make these completely free for you, plus a moneymaker. But if you don't have the coupons, what you're going to do is go ahead and pick up 2 of these at $3.99. That's going to bring your total to $7.98. you're going to get back that $5 registry reward. So $7.98 minus the $5 registry reward that you will receive. That's going to bring your total down to just $2.98 for both, or it's going to make each one $1.49. Now, I was okay with paying that because I'm also using the digital booster. You get 5,000 points when you spend 20. So I didn't pay that amount for each one of these. So that's why I was okay with getting it. So, $7.98 minus the $5 registry reward, $2.98 or $1.49 for each. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Gillette foam shave gels, and these are priced at Walgreens for $2.99. They are buy one get one 50% off. So one rung up at $2.99. My second one rung up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. When you buy 2 of these, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $4.48 minus the $4 registry reward that I received, it brought the total down to 48 cents for both, or it makes each one just 24 cents. You can also use Walgreens cash to pay for this if you have any. And then I also grabbed 3 of the Crest 3D white toothpaste right here. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $6. No, I'm sorry, not when you buy 3, but when you buy 2, you will receive a $6 registry reward. So what you're going to do is go ahead and purchase 3 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.97. We do have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used on these. So $11.97 minus the $5 digital coupon that I used, that brought my total down to just $6.97. And I did get back my $6 registry reward for purchasing 2. So that brought the total down to just 97 cents for all 3, or it makes each one 32 cents. So again, I did get back all of my registry rewards on this transaction. The only coupon I used was the digital $5 coupon for the Crest. That came off with no problem. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, the Gillette foam shave gels did rank up by one get one 50% off. One rank up at $2.99, the second one at $1.49. The Crest 3D white toothpaste all rank up at $3.99, so $11.97. Both of my Colgate at $2.99, so $5.98. Both of my Maybelline at $3.99, so $7.98. As you guys can see, my Crest 3D white toothpaste, $5 digital came off. Yes, you guys, my out of pocket is high, but that's fine because I got back all of my out of pocket that I spent, and I used my PayPal debit card to pay for it, so I did not have to use any of my personal money out of pocket. So it brought my subtotal to $25.41. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $20.41 using my PayPal debit card. When you look down here, I got back $5.25, and this $5 is for me spending $25. So I got back my $5 here. I got back my $5 registry reward for the Maybelline. I got back my $4 registry reward for the Gillette gel. I got back my $5 registry reward for the Colgate Optic White, and I got back my $6 registry reward for purchasing the Crest toothpaste. So total, it was $25.41, and I got back a total of $25 in rewards. So technically for this transaction, I only paid just 41 cents, which is amazing, you guys. Super amazing. So that is my second transaction. And so now let's go ahead and move on over to my third transaction. So in my third transaction, I went ahead and purchased 4 of these Downey fabric softeners, and these are the 34 ounces. And then I purchased 3 of these Dawn dish soaps, the 40 ounce, purchased 3 of those. Now, what I wanted to do in this transaction was use registry rewards on deals that were going to give me registry rewards. So the Downey gave me a registry reward, and then the Dawn also gave me a registry reward. So with the Downey is priced, you can choose between the Downey, the Tide Simply Pods. So they are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.95. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab 4. You can mix and match. And it will be, so $2.95 times 4 is $11.80. We do have digital coupons for the Tide Simply and the Tide Simply Pods. I don't think I had a digital for the Downey, so nothing came off. So $11.80, and then when you buy 4, you will receive a $4 registry reward, and that will bring your total down to just $7.80 for all 4, or it'll make each one just $1.95. On this transaction as well, I had a digital booster get $5 when you spend 20. So $7.80 or $1.95 when you get back your registry reward. And then with my 3 Done dish soaps back there, they are all priced at $4.99. And you can choose between Done and other select P&G products. They are $4.99, and when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. Oh, and by the way, here is the $4 registry reward that I received for the Downey. So when you buy any 3 of select P&G products at $4.99, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased 3 of the Done dish soaps. So $4.99 times 3 is $14.97. I also had a 50-cent Done digital coupon, which I didn't know about. So I had that coupon as well. So $14.97 minus that 50-cent digital coupon, that brought the total down to just $14.47. And then since I purchased 3, I did get back my $5 registry reward right here. So $14.47 minus that $5 registry reward brought my total down to just $9.47 for all 3, or it makes each one $3.16. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts on here. So all 4 of my Downeys rung up at $2.95, so that brought my total to $11.98. 3 of my Done rung up at $4.99, so $14.97. The 50-cent digital for the Done came off, and then I used 4 registry rewards. I used 1 $4 registry reward, 2 $5 registry rewards, and 1 $6 registry reward. So that brought my total to $6.27. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $127 out of pocket using my PayPal debit card. When you look down here, I got back $5.21, and that $5 is from me spending $20 along with my $5 for the Done dish soap, and then along with my $4 for purchasing the Downey fabric softener. So guys, overall, everything worked out totally fine today in my Walgreens transaction. I am happy with everything that I got. And then, like I said, I did go back in the store and do some more transactions with the Colgate, the Crest, the Maybelline, and the Gillette, because I am after registry rewards this week, you guys. I am stocking up on registry rewards. So this is everything that I got, and I am super excited about today's Walgreens haul. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Do me a favor and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens, because we have a ton of great deals. Also, share this video with your friends and your family. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I submitted all 3 of my receipts. For my ex, I think I got back like 52 points. I also got some points back for my Maybelline, and I got some points back for something else I don't remember. But don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.